Good morning. Yabbersmack here. We Yabbersmack Holdings, your professional K-Troll, and we're here to fuck around in the markets and find out. Don't try this shit at home. Don't do it. It ain't for everybody. It will take all your money, take your bones out of your body, leave your skin a pile of goo on the ground, and you don't even know what happened. Alright, we got the Nas crack in front of us. We got the micro Nas crack in front of us. I'm gonna get my other screen set up before I even come anywhere near. I've done some practice trading already this morning, got things lined out. Let's we want to go to here. Here. And yes, every day. Every day. I'm gonna get rid of all the mapping. Mapping's a couple days old. Starts to get real noisy. I like to clear it every couple days. I'm not really digging this tune a lot. It's okay, but the overall album's good, so I'm gonna stick with it. While we get shit lined out. Alright. Micro S&P. Micro Dow Jones. Micro Russell 2000. Micro crude oil. Micro gold. Micro silver. Micro copper. And micro Bitcoin. Alright. Let's clear everything off the charts. Get a little clearer, a little clearer. Let's get the time frame straight. Clear this junk off of here. All right, we're dialed in on these. We've got the micro S&P 500, the micro Dow Jones, the micro Russell 2000. These are different indices. The micro crude oil, which we may take the opening range, micro Bitcoin, micro copper, micro silver, and micro gold. Then we've got our favorite over here, the NAS crack on the targeting reticle, spread across 4-dimensional time frames for perspective. Already quite a bit of shit happening this morning. Just gonna chill. Just gonna chill. Soak up the market, listen to music. I am locked into $100,000 combine, Top Step X, VIP account. I'm thinking about the gold opening range, and I don't know if I want to do it. I think I'm just going to scalp today.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
First blood, $32. $25 on one set, 5 lot, $15 on the second 5 lot. All right, I'm chilling. I just wanted to get first blood in the mix. All right, last couple days, I've only been trading for an hour and a half. I've only, real small pieces, taking 15 trades or so, winning 12 of them, 13 of them for a little 30 lots, 50 lots, 60 lots. Real small pieces pulled to the pile. Now, I've got thousands and thousands of hours in front of these screens, and I'm a gamer too, so I'm in front of the screens all the fucking time. So sometimes I just don't want to be in the screen, so I'll come in, I'll trade for an hour or two, and I'll make decent money, and I'll be done. That's the only reason my pile is $170, $150 when I'm done, in an hour. But I mean, come on, you make $20 an hour riding around in a fucking warehouse or wherever you work for 12 fucking hours of grind, dude. I mean, in the place I work, they'll ride around behind you on a fucking golf cart with a clipboard and a stopwatch, and they will watch every fucking move you make. Are you kidding me? Who does $100 an hour, $150 an hour? And that's just swinging light. And you see what I do when I jump into the practice account to show you the difference between the micros and the minis. Made $3,500 yesterday in 15 minutes. Yes, you can do that for real.
Stick with me for 30 seconds, and I'll show you the trading strategy.
I ain't trying to sell you shit, man. I
Full-time job
don't need your money.
to design a lifestyle I love with only an hour of work per day. You see,
You don't need a job, you need an income. Oh, and by the way, if you have a job and any income, but fuck the job. Fuck time clocks everywhere. I would be getting into that, but look at that gap right there. That's a good sign. And the arc on that 9 EMA, it may still work out, but I think it's going to head back farther down. There you go. See what I'm talking about? In fact, no, I'm not doing it. I was going to take a short there, but I'm not. I'm not going to do it. I'm chilling. All right, now I might during this session. I think I'm going to trade longer this time, so it's going to be a longer video. We'll see how it goes. And I might be a little bit more focused in some time, so not saying much. I'm going to be really, really looking to lock into that price action. I'm going to be in the music, locked into that price action, man. All right, you know what? Let's do some mapping. Let's go ahead and do some mapping while we got some time. We're going to do some mapping. We're going to start off at the daily chart. We're going to tighten it up. And I'm just going to sit back and I'm going to look at it. See what sticks out to me. That's definitely a stick out spot right there. Money, green for money. I love this tune. I love that beat, man. That fucking beat is fucking sanity, dude. I think I'm only going to map out the NASDAQ this morning. I'm going to really focus in on the NASDAQ unless I see something insane happen. I'm going to try to also keep the marking up on the mapping a little lighter today, just to keep it clear. You know, really, to be honest with you. I'm kind of liking right there too. I think that's all my marking I'm going to do on the daily side. I might put a fourth one on there, maybe. Alright, we want to probably, because it's banging at the high of day too. You know what? That'll be it for daily. Alright, so now from the daily, we're going to go to the hourly time frame. Reset it, and then trim it up. We can get a little bit more data on there. See how at this daily level, the price came up to it, bounced off of it, retested it, broke it, and then hung around, trading back and forth around that level. That's what I'm looking at. And when you have thousands of hours of screen time, you start to be able to see it clearly, more clearly than just someone who hasn't got the time to look. I'm doing the same thing for the hourly. The bigger time frames, the larger, like the daily has more gravitational strength than the hourly. And congruence wise like that. Get more data on the screen. See how it's congruent. See, even though I didn't have that data on the screen, it's pretty obvious. So somewhere right in there. Definitely right there. God, there's so many of them. Alright. Yeah, I like that spot too. Not as pronounced, but I like it. And now I'm gonna put one right about there. Alright, now we're gonna get the crazy whiplash fucking high profile fucking go fast fire buttons going, which is on the 100 tick. Alright, let's look at this good. Let's look at this close. Right there. That sticks out the most right off the bat. Right at the EMA. I mean, right at the VWAP right here, the white line. Boom. All right, and then we got another one right there. Yep, yep, yep. These are always going to be more of these on the screen. Think of these as shorter time frame. All right, just to keep it clean as possible. I think I'm gonna put one more in there. All right, now I'm gonna all right, we're mapped. We're mapped. And now what we'll do is move this back to the hourly. Shorten it. Boom. All right. Reset it and then open it. Now where the screen, where each screen time frame is on the map. In fact, we're going to do this just to show you. Because even as the time frames open, you can see there'll be like an arc. Like it came up, these are trading even, and it's even across the board. You'll start seeing this, the shorter time frame, move down to bottom right, where it's trading almost up in the top right. So you'll see where the energy level is in the range of the overall trading. I know that probably doesn't make a lot of sense right off the bat, but I'll try to do better to explain it over time. I don't like when this starts mixing with this, so what I'll do is I'll shorten it a little bit and then I'll move it up. Now this is, I'm not trying to make it exact, this is for my head here. Now this is me adding random inside of what I've already done. All right, we're locked. Locked and loaded. $7:04 in the morning. We still got an hour and a half before official New York session open. I think we're in. Well, I think we might be in London session right now. I don't have those times all worked out too greatly. I think I'm gonna be on the market button a lot this morning too. That means I want in right now, not like in a second. I want in right now. See, we're in a congestion period right now. It's consolidating, accumulating orders, bouncing in between this area. At some point in time, it's either gonna break and go higher to this level, or higher, maybe even up to the VWAP. I mean, or it's going to break lower and it's going to find prices and start moving lower. And then when we consider, let's do this for consideration. Let's go see how we're here, and you see these are the shorter time frames. And then if I open this up, see, I got that hourly down there. Remember, those are stronger gravitational pulls. It's either it's going to go towards one of those lines, and we've got to determine which one it's going to be going towards. And it's trading upper right corner right now. Not extensive high upper left corner. Right? If it was pushing towards the high, it'd be up in this, right up in here. And then you'll see this range. Sometimes it's trading down here. Sometimes it's trading right here. That makes a difference on how I'm going to trade. I'm just going to watch it, hang out, check it out. Lots of times I'm thinking about getting rid of that fucking volume down there. It's this right here. In fact, it just, it's fucking up my feng shui. That's just me trying different things. So now I can open this up exactly right where it's at in the frame and not have to change shit. And I think it's a cleaner look. It's a cleaner representation of what's going on without that volume taking up that fucking... I like it. I like it. Volume's gone. Because I've got volume here. This was just a different this was just added gusto to what I was seeing.
Odor protection with just 6 ingredients.
You stink. Go fucking shut up somewhere.
Are you sure your tax expert is right for you?
Fuck taxes. IRS is over with.
You'll be matched with a TurboTax expert.
We ain't gonna have to deal with that much longer. Then we gotta work on the state level bullshit.
Switch to TurboTax full service.
People are in control now, motherfucker. For the first time in multiple lifetimes, the people have the White House, the Treasury, and pushing the criminals out of the DOJ. And then when you look up here, see, now this is only a 100 tick rapid fire. That's why it says fire. It's rapid fire. Well, now it came up. It was over that, and that was bouncing. It was holding at that line. The yellow lines, all that means is that's 100 tick. Same thing, 100 tick fire. Except I added it to it after I mapped when I'm in the session. shows me that it's new, basically. New levels. Almost took a trade there, but I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I was going to take a long right there. Which was a good idea not to. This is a good idea. I didn't do that. Now that looks like that might be, they came down. That's a liquidity grab right there. It's very well could now end up back up in the range. ACH, anything can happen. Or it might be on its way back down to this next level right here. And looking at these other there it goes. I still think that's a liquidity grab. That's a grab. Fake out. Back up into the range. In fact,
Order filled. Order filled.
I'll take that 15 bucks. I could have held it for a little bit longer, but I'm trying to be easy right now. I'll take 15 bucks. I think we got a potential transition change here. What do you do for 15 bucks an hour? Let's check to see how much that actually was. That was $15. What do you do for $15? That's almost a full hour work for most people. Grinding work. I made it in 2 seconds. I'm thinking my next week, I work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in a warehouse. That's my work week. I trade Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. I'm thinking this coming Monday is going to go. I'm going to go live. We'll start my live streaming instead of recordings. All right, guys, gals, 7:15. Still got a little ways before market official open, New York session. We've been trading pre-market, $100,000 VIP Top Step X Combine. This is not practice. All right, I'm gonna take a break, hit the bathroom, get some more coffee.
Step into options education with confidence. At the Options Industry Council, we want you to know your options, which is why we've created OCC Learning, a complete self-guided learning platform where investors receive realistic options education for free. Join now to learn at your own pace with options-related courses, knowledge checks and course quizzes, a library of podcasts and videos. Plus, all content is created by experienced options instructors. OCC Learning is designed to provide options education for various learning styles and experience levels. Join for free today to help further your understanding of both the benefits and risks associated with trading options. Click the link below this video to sign up for free now.
I grew up here, and so did a lot of the girls working the avenue today.
Over the past several days, 3 females have been found dead.
Looks like someone's going after these girls.
It's our job to protect them.
Why are you looking into this?
You're a patrol cop, not a detective. I'm worried about what you're gonna find. So am I.
We back. Yabbersmack. Yabbersmack Holdings. Your professional cave troll.
If you flip this ad right here, I'll teach you a little known trick.
And
of buying low-priced stocks
right into a
first
fucking commercial
higher.
that can
It
go
all starts
fuck itself. All right. More coffee. Lighten the load a little bit, if you know what I mean. Yeah. My dog is up here wanting some loving. Ready to make some money, baby. Ready to make some fucking money. My dog's big ass fucker's about to try to jump up here while I'm fucking trading. I'm waiting for his paw to hit the wrong key and put me into a position or cancel a position I'm trying to make money on. All right, I'm just gonna kick back and watch till I see something I like. We got news coming up here soon. Glad I spotted that. So, all right, 7:30. We've got U.S. initial job claims. Probably going to be high impact. We got 5 minutes, and then we got U.S. existing home sales at 9. So it's probably a good idea we just chill right now. Looks like we're coming down. Yeah, we're going to come down to that next bottom range down there. You know what? You know what? I think if it gives me a pullback to right about there, I'm going to hop in. I might have missed it. I may have missed it.
Alright, step 1, go to Amazon and search for books that are selling at least 5 copies a day and have less than 50 reviews. That means that the topic is selling on Amazon without many reviews, and that's what we like.
Alright, I missed it. Because I didn't hit market, I hit fucking offer.
Now, there are a lot of these AI writing tools out there, but most of them are not.
Yeah, we're 5 minutes before news. I better not do that.
Own tool called publishing.ai, which can
I want to hit these people with baseball bats.
in less than 2 hours.
I hate commercials. I don't want to hit the people. I want to hit the commercial. And whatever machinery they're using to hijack my screen without my permission. To clarify. That would have been a good trade, but we're right in front. We're right up against news, and news can be insanity. We got news in like 3 minutes. Just taking a look across the micro markets. I'm going to hold right here for news, see what happens when the news comes out. See what moves, what doesn't move. Gold's got a lot of buying pressure building in. Right at a key level. Bottom left corner. Right here. All that buying pressure up against a key level. Key level right here. Right there. Ish. Which has been banging at highs, all-time highs. News in 30 seconds. News. Pretty moderate. Not really anything happening. Copper moving a little bit. Go back to NAS, crack, see what's going on over there. Of course, these are all 5-minute charts. Alright, I'm going to set up on this. Finger on the trigger. Not yet. I'll get in. I'll take $25. Take $25 all damn day long. Yep, $25. Look at that stack this morning. Look at that. Oh, look at that stack of green. Oh, look at that money, money, money. Yeah, go fuck yourself. News turns out to be good. News starting to push the markets up. At least NASDAQ. Probably everywhere. Yep. Big money starting to push market up. Now a lot of people are rushing into that right now, looking to get the fear of missing out. I don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss out. But look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Look across there. And I just want to tell you to go fuck yourself. In fact, I am preparing to potentially take a short. I'm not ready to do it yet. Show me, don't tell me. Question is that... All right, go. Take the money. I think that was like 25 bucks. $20. I'll take $20 all goddamn day long. What do you do for $20? How long do you fuck off and grind for $20? Whole fucking hour. I just made it in a second. Yeah. I've been recording for an hour since I started live trading. I'm at 80 bucks, $82. I've made $82 in 55 minutes. And I'm purposely just swinging light. I'm not trying to fucking kill it. I tell you what, $82 and 50 an hour sure does beat $20 an hour. Especially when for that hour I'm sitting on my ass with a cup of coffee, petting my dogs, listening to good music. Yeah. That's the NASDAQ right there, Bubba. Wide, heavy springs. Up, down, all over the motherfucking place. Let's see what we're only at average true range, 23 and a half. 23, 24 points. Not too terrible. Backed up, got to run and start back at that level. I'm just going to sit on my hands for a little bit. I don't want to put my money back in the market. Just don't want to put my money back in the market. I don't want to do it. We got $829.82 built on the bottom line right now. For, I think, 4 or 5 days worth of trading. What could you do with an extra $829 in about a week? And I'm just chilling, man. I ain't. We do have quite a bit of opportunity starting to pile in. I don't want to chase the trades, though. I want the trades to come to me. I just want to be able to recognize them. All the way back down. All the way back down. I ain't fucking with it just yet. Not yet. Yeah, I don't like it. As bad as I want to do it, I'm not doing it. I'm in it. And I'm ready to get out of it real quick if I need to. Hold, 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 hold. Hold. Yep. I'll take it. See, if I'd have panicked, I'd have turned that winning trade into a loser. Now I only got $20, I think. $15. But instead of a $50, $60 loss because I had patience and I didn't panic and I managed the trade, I won $15 instead of lost $60. And if I'd have been quick about it, I would have added to that right down here in this dip. But I didn't. Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
30 seconds, and I'll show you the trading strategies I used that allowed me to quit my full-time job 2 years ago to design a lifestyle.
God, I gotta fucking. I know. I'm gonna pay my shit. That was a really good example of managing a trade and not panicking. Most people. That's a lot of reason why people fail and don't. 90% of people fail. They sell when they should hold. They dump when they should add. All right, I'm gonna chill a second. All right, things are getting a little crazy. They're starting to move pretty good. I'm just taking a breath. I'm relaxing. I'm enjoying the music. I'm sipping my coffee. I'm just watching. There's you can become in phase with the market. Quantum entanglement. I don't want to get too crazy into it because not everybody likes that type of stuff. Starting to tighten up. Building energy. I think it's going to go one way or the other. I just want to be ready to act accordingly. I'm just not ready yet. think about another 20 bucks. Yeah, another $20. I'll take $20 in a second all goddamn day long. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Go fuck yourself. What do you do for $20? Alright. I don't want to fuck up my screens. What, baby? My dog unplugged my shit. I think she's telling me she wants to go outside. What's wrong, baby? Hmm? Alright. I'm gonna see if she tells me again before I do it. I do want to go check out my my success rate this morning. Let's go look at our stats. All right. We got $857.42 on the bottom line in this account overall. Going into fast market, New York session open. We've been trading pre-market. We have an 85% success rate. That means 8.5 trades out of 10 are successful overall. Today, go fuck yourself, you fucking cocksucking criminal motherfuckers. All right. So today, 100%, 7 trades. That means every trade every time I've pulled the button, pushed the button, I've made money. My profit factor is 2.14, so I'm winning 2.1 over my loss. Equity curve going in the right direction. Building momentum. Total number of trades, 66. Total number of lots traded, 292. That means I've traded 292 contracts. Average time in trade, 24 seconds. Average winning trade, $28, $29. Now I'm just bang, 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 bang. Now here's the kicker. The way I trade, your average typical trader who doesn't trade like I do is a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio at least. That means I'm risking 1 to make 2. I risk 2 to make 1, 3 to make 1. It's the way I trade. It's how my structure works. And that's why I have to have that high win rate. The high win rate is what makes this a successful trading process. Because I'm losing 3 times what every time I lose something, that's what I'm controlling right there. I am controlling loss. You might think that I'm controlling profit. I'm not controlling profit. I'm controlling loss, which allows me profit. Look at that equity curve. Boom, that's today. Out of all my trades in this account, there are 37 of them. Out of all of them are 15 seconds or less. And look at that. I did not trade last Thursday or Monday. I've been taking time off, chilling, relaxing, sleeping late. This is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of trading, $850. And I'm just swinging light. I'm not trying to break the bank right now. I just green days, green days, green days, green days. And I got another week of trading in this month. I'm probably going to go live right here and start actually trading my full week. And then probably at some point in time after I've got another week, I'll jump into minis, and these will be $1,000 trade, $1,700, $1,000, $2,000, $2,500, and then that month is 20,000. Yeah, go fuck yourself. And with that, I'm going back to chill. I'm just gonna go chill. Just gonna chill. No rush. Got all day. Don't need to make it or lose it all in the same fucking 5 minutes. Just gonna chill. Just gonna motherfucking chill.
Order filled.
Alright, that might have been a bad spot. Might have been a bad spot. Not gonna panic. In fact, I'm gonna double in. Not gonna panic. Not gonna panic.
Order filled.
I probably lost a little bit of money off that back end. I only made 10 bucks.
Your future is at your fingertips. Take advantage of the flexibility and diversity of futures trading with Ninja Trader, the #1 rated futures broker. Start trading futures today.
Yeah, I'm locked in on this. This is gonna be a trade.
The future of performance is the new elite driver from Callaway.
I wanna pull back here. I wanna pull back here. Pull back. Give me a pullback.
Order filled. Order filled.
Not gonna trill. I'm not gonna panic. Not gonna panic.
Order filled.
I took a $30 hit there. Getting back in.
Order filled.
I'll take $45. All right, that made that money back. Now I'm starting to chase, so I'm gonna back up a little bit. Let's take a look at the trades, how that worked out. I took a little bit of a hit. I got a little stupid in there. Lost a total of 10, 20, 30, about $40. That's okay. It's absolutely okay. I missed that move. I'm really, really focused in right now on price action.
Order filled. Order filled.
Not panicking. Just chilling. Just chilling and watching. Chilling and watching. Chilling and watching. Chilling and watching. Chilling and watching.
More powerful than you. Making your thing happen. Really going for it. Doing business on your terms. Giving it your all. Making a difference. And loving what you do. Every single day. Feeling fearless, fulfilled, free. When there's nothing holding you back. What would your thing be?
Not panicking, just chilling, waiting for my turn. Waiting for my turn. Just waiting. Waiting for my turn. Waiting for it. Waiting for it, waiting for my turn. Okay with whatever outcome comes out. We're all right. I think we're okay. Hang on, dog. I'm in the middle of something. Reach down and grab and go again. We're all right. It's going to get a run and start. That's what the stop loss is for. What are y'all doing, dogs? Get away from me. Go. Not panicking. Not panicking at all. Clenching the ass cheeks a little bit. But it's all good. In fact, I'm going to back up a little bit. Drink some hopium. Just took a $255 hit. Actually, that was probably more than that. That was a $255. $325 hit. It's part of trading, man. Gotta be able to take loss. Can't take loss, don't trade. Just gotta buckle down and make it back. I read the market wrong. But that's why we trade micros.
Oh, I got another double shot, double cream, double froth, double pump, double whip, double hot, double calf, double sleeve. Hey, did you know that Discover doubles your cashback at the end of the first year?
You are cut off.
You earn, we match.
Debbie.
Unlimited cashback match.
As an Old Spice hair rescue worker, we're not just rescuing hair health and hairstyle.
God, all these fucking commercials, man. It really, really gets in my fucking... I'm gonna try something. I don't have them mapped. Don't do it. Loss is part of trading. The best loser wins. Tom Hoogert. Really good book. You can get it both in audio and paperback, cardback. I don't know if it's hardback.
Order filled.
There we go. Hello, mama. Hello, mama. Hello, mama. I'll take 50 bucks. Got to work our way out. Get back to the money. Got to grind. Man, we just did commercials, dude. We just had them, dude. Should be against the law. Yeah, I'm going to be really focused in on this price action for a while. But we managed that loss to a $300 loss instead of $3,000 loss. And I didn't rush in, doubling down, tripling down, trying to fucking hopium it out. That was a successful trade. I need a bit of, I need a deeper pullback. I do. I need a deeper pullback. Deeper pullback. There it is.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'll take $125. All right, I made that money back. I'm back in the green. I didn't panic. I adjusted my method. I focused in, and I corrected my mistake. I didn't go changing and doubling contracts and switching accounts and panicking and freaking out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Took $50. I don't think I caught quite $50 out of that rotation. $32. All right, I'm gonna take a breath, go take a leak, take a break. We got open coming pretty soon. It's all good. It's all good, man. It's all good. It's a grind, people. It's a grind.
30 seconds, and I'll show you the trading strategies I use.
I don't have 30 seconds of my life to give you.
Order filled. Order filled.
Another $50. $40. I love this shit, man. Best fucking video game you've ever fucking played in your life, dude. You know, by the way, you can get paid. $17, $17.50. We're up against the open. About 10, 12 minutes. I'm going to chill till then. Candles are thin right now. All right, taking 10. Taking 10, people. Taking 10 before they open.
Trade, you can turn smart ideas into real trades with just a few clicks. Wow, that's fast. Tasty Trade, make your move.
All right, guys, we're back. We're up against the open. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Practice trading is not indicative of actual success in the markets. We are trading a combine. We are not practice trading right now. I will always tell you if I'm in a practice account. You can always see on my screen if I'm in a practice account or if I'm in an actual account. Trading with Top Step TV, Top Step X. Check them out. You want to learn what you're doing? Don't take it from me. Take it from the professionals. Go to Top Step TV on YouTube. Start riding with them. They got all kinds of different time frames and segments to fit your time schedules and your method of trading. Not trying to sell you nothing. You'll never hear me ask you for anything. You don't even have to like the video, man. You don't have to subscribe, nothing. This is me. I use this as a mechanism to record my trades as a trade diary, and I express myself, and I listen to good music, and soon I'll have some people riding around with me on it. Today was a really good example of managing a trade that wasn't necessarily a good trade that turned into a good trade. We didn't panic. All right, I'm going to be really locked in coming into the open. I want to get my trades in and be done. I'm out for the day. So I'm going to be really, really choosy, and I'm going to be really looking for the right opportunities, and I really would like an opportunity that I could leverage into to get some explosive outcomes. I'm really focused on the levels, not taking a trade anywhere outside of the level. I will not trade the actual open. I'm going to let it fucking calm down a little bit before I start jumping in. I'm hammering 5 lots in micros. It's costing me, about $4 every time I hit the button. In and out. Open about 2.5, 3 minutes. I mean, about 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. The open can be extremely insane, very misleading. You got to be real careful. I will trade the open on live from time to time just to show you, and I enjoy doing it, but that's not my bread and butter. Open 2 minutes. Banging around the lower range. Mid-level. I am not taking a trade.
A wider smile brightens more than just your teeth. Colgate Optic White's unique hydrogen.
Trying to see where the we're open.
Order filled. Order filled.
50 bucks. $45. I'm going to be really focused in. I might not be doing a lot of talking. That can be a fake out. Looking good across the time frames, but I'm not convinced yet. I'm more on the short side of things. Just not yet. It's not done yet. Yakumana. Probably gonna mechanically open my risk a little bit more moving forward. Might take it from 150 to 225. That way I don't have to maneuver my stop loss in the middle of a fucking trade like that. All right, I think we may start coming back down now. I'm not convinced yet though. All right, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to lock out this account for an hour. Boom. I've made $105 an hour for 2 hours. Now I'm going to go to practice account. I'm going to up into the minis. I'm going to try to roll out 10,000. All right, for transparency, we have locked out for 1 hour. We made $105 an hour for 2 hours. Locked it out. And that's after taking a hit and having to and dig my way back. Starting to overtrade a little too much. So I backed out of that. Now I'm in practice. I am down $716 in this practice account from earlier. Now I'm going to hammer out some scalping. I'm going to try to make 5-10 grand. I'm going to be really focused in. I know that looks like we should be going long, but I am more in a selling angle. I'm looking for the right opportunity to sell. Oh, damn, I didn't change my stop. I just cost myself money. Now, thank God that's a practice account. Opening up from, I'm going to go to $2,000 risk. $4,000 profit target. Yeah, I fucked up. I didn't change my... That cost me a hit. I'm down $930. That ain't shit. You'll see, that ain't shit. Make that back in 1 or 2 trades. Looking heavy now. You gotta have your shit together to trade like this with real money. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Fucking. Get the fuck out of here, man. Man's trying to make money over here fucking with me, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
$700 trade. $725.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
725, 775, $775 trade. Up $500. Remember, we were down 1,000. Just relaxing, watching what's happening, focused in on the price action, watching the levels, watching all the multiple time frames. Am I seeing what I think I'm seeing? And I do believe I am.
Order filled.
$500 trade. We're at $1,000 up. We were $1,000 down 10 minutes ago. Getting heavy. $29 seconds on the hourly 15-minute candle. I think this is going to be a perfect time.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're going to go in heavy on this. We're heavy. We're real heavy on this. Opening up the stop loss a little bit. Not panicking. Not panicking. Not panicking. Relaxing. Taking some heat on it, but that's okay. That's okay.
Order rejected.
Oops. I'm already in too heavy. We might have fucked up here. Alright, I'm going to open this up to here. We're going to move this down to here, and we're not going to panic. Might have fucked up. We're taking $11,000 worth of heat right now. This is a perfect example of why we do what we do to be able to act like this. Just blew the practice account. Well, that was a good example. It's a perfect example of why we do the things we do. And with that, I'm done trading for the day. No, actually, no. Let's reset the practice account. What I was doing was way too liberal with adding in. We're going to not do that this time. This time we're going to keep it to 1 or 2 lots.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm not in a real good tune right now. That's why I was getting done with trading on that real account. I started feeling like I'm over trading, getting a little stretched. That's okay. We're gonna stay fucking around for a little bit. It's a really good example of why we do the things we do and how we're risk managers before we're anything else.
Order filled.
I want big money on this. Big money. Big money. Anything over 1,000. I think this has got a little bit more in it. Yeah, this has got more in it. It's going to push back to high.
I'd do anything.
Surprise! We got a dog.
You did. Aw, new pet.
We're going to be all right here.
Thanks. Let's go to PetSmart. Come on. We've got literally anything you need. And with Treats Rewards, you earn points on every purchase. For
Order filled.
$1,600 trade.
$10 in savings when you spend.
Held it a little bit longer than I really wanted to.
So, are you a cat or a dog person?
Cat person, dog person, hamster person. PetSmart. Anything for pets.
Okay, it's in a real tight range right in that on the 100 tick. I think it's about to roll over and come back down on the 5 minute to the. But how you saw me jump over in that practice account and started trading bigger into the minis and promptly made $4,000 and then promptly lost $10,000 and blew the practice account. That's a perfect example of why you see me inching along in the micros, getting my legs under me, and I'm absolutely happy to make $200-300 in an hour, you know. And then when I'm ready, when I'm feeling like I'm ready, I'll jump over into the minis and I'll slam out 4, 5, 10 grand real quick. But you got to have your shit together. You can't. It ain't no game. You can't be playing around. That's real shit, man. I'm just chilling and watching, chilling and watching. I think we're about to get a good pullback. I want to see it, though. I don't want to talk about it. I want to see it. What? You gotta go outside? Ah, you gotta give me a minute. Here it is.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
900. I just see cats outside. There's cats walking around the front yard. They're going nuts. You gotta wait a minute.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck. I wouldn't be doing that in practice if I wasn't in practice. Man, y'all are starting to get on my nerves, dogs. Chill out a bit. That's why we do it in practice. I still think it's heavy. The truth is out there. After this trade, I'll take you out. I still think it's heavy. Still think it's heavy. My timing was just off. There she goes. I'm gonna hold this one for a minute.
Deliver your way and on your schedule with DoorDash.
We're gonna end up in the money on this one. I want another big old.
Order filled.
That ended up being 8, 9, 12, 75, $1,300. I think it's still heavy. I want to show me, don't tell me though. There it is. I want 500. I'll take 1,000. Ended up 750 off of that. Look how quickly we're up at almost up to $5,000. You just got to know what you're doing. You do it in small measures, and you manage risk. Manage the risk, the money comes. I'm going for 10 grand before I shut her down. It's heavy. It's heavy. 600. Way heavy, way heavy, way heavy. Giving myself some more room on it. Way fucking heavy. Way heavy. Come on, baby. Come on, give me $2,000 out of it. 1,400. That was 7, 14, 1,500. $6,300. Transparency, this is a practice account. You will see me do this for real. I just got to be ready for it. I still think it's heavy, but not yet. Trading for real, a lot different mentality. This is a practice account. I'm trying to treat it like a real account so that I can show you the difference. And I do this every day after I've locked out and I'm done for the real money. I'm building cushion to the account. I do it every day. This is calisthenics, financial market calisthenics. Not yet. Not yet. I'm just waiting and watching, waiting and watching. Waiting and watching. Not panicking, not panicking, not panicking. It's going to take a little heat. Probably going to get a pop. Right there. Only got 7,000 out of that. Well, actually, that was 1,000. 7, 8, 9, 950. All right, that was 700. 7,100. It's getting heavy. Yeah, we're getting heavy.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I might have just fucked up. Yeah, I fucked up.
Order rejected.
That's because I got too much in there. I'm just not going to panic on it. Yeah, I'm not going to panic. I still think it's heavy.
Got the need for
I think we're going to be okay if I don't panic.
No problem. At Tasty Trade, you can turn smart ideas into real trades with just a few clicks. Wow, that's
Yeah, come on.
Tasty Trade. Make your move.
Colgate Optic White's unique technology gives you a visibly brighter smile.
I think we're going to get a cool off. And then there she goes. That's heavy money moving to market. Heavy money moving to market. It still seems heavy to me. I think it's exhausting itself. I think we're going to end up back down in here. If I was to guess, we're going to come back right down into that. Come on. Don't panic. Imagine if this was real money. You have some nerves of steel to hold on to this motherfucker. Give me another push. Yeah, I think we're good. Here she comes. I'd be adding contracts if I had more contracts to add right there. I'm going to sip some coffee and chill, because here she comes. Quick grab. She's coming down. He's going to go run and start. But, you know, anything can happen. ACH. That's why we're doing this in practice right now. Because quite frankly, whew, even in practice, it's crazy. Yeah, I think the buyers are exhausted.
Hell, I could take this right now and still be up 3,000. I'm gonna let it be what it be. I'm getting tired. That's why, perfect example of why you gotta have your shit together when you decide to step over into that. I still think it's looking heavy and gonna roll. Time for a serious cool off, I think. It's just gonna take it a minute. But anything can happen. Now, if I was trading this for real, I would have just took my lump and moved on to the next trade. But because I'm in a practice account doing it, I'm just letting it ride. Kind of show you what's going on. How fast you can make money, how fast you can lose money. Some of the pitfalls. Yeah, when I jumped over to this practice, I got real carefree and loose. I would not have been, if I was doing this for real, I would not have been fighting so loose. I'd have been real tight. I wouldn't have been so quick to double into contracts. I'd have stayed at 5 lots, maybe a second set of 5 lots. I still think it's heavy. And I'm going to hold it till what happens, happens, and then I'm going to be done. All right, here we go. I don't want pennies on this. I don't want pennies. I do not want pennies. I want at least that white line, I think. I still think it's heavy. Gonna fight for a little bit longer, but I think it's done. It's accumulating right now along that level, and I think it's accumulating for a move down. I mean, I could absolutely be wrong. I got 15 contracts. I would not in live markets be that leveraged. But because I have 15 contracts and I injected 3 separate times, I got 3 different levels of profit target to hit. So I don't take hits on one of the sets of contracts.
Introducing the all-new Passport Trail Spot.
She's about to come down to me. Got a little bit of fight left in her. That's okay. I like fight. I still think it looks heavy. I'm going to test something. Be a $3,500 trade if I can get to that level. Of course, I'm currently risking 20 grand. Practice account. Come on, baby. I see you coming. Come on. It's going to fall when it falls. There she goes. I'll take 3 grand. $10,000, guys. 10 grand. Now, that was some really goofy trading. It wouldn't have went down like that if I was trading for real, but you get the idea, and it was a really good example of why we do the things we do. And with that, people, 2.5 hours going. You have a great day. Stay tuned for some live trading on the mornings. Come ride along with me. I'll put up my Discord channel. You can come get in the channel with me, ride, talk to me about trades. I don't want nothing from you. If you want to spend some time, you spend some time. You don't, you know.